and welcome to our channel. We are the Roadside Trippers, and right now we are at ESPN Wide World of Sports to pick up our race packets because it is Wine Dine half marathon weekend. So this is the first runDisney in-person event that has happened since, I think, the Princess in 2020. And so we are here to pick up our race packets, and we are checking into the Grand Floridian for our stay. So we are very excited about this weekend. It is going to be very challenging because we are going to be running the 5K, the 10K, and the half marathon. I'm very excited to show you what it's like to run a runDisney event. If you've never done it before, it is a lot of fun. It is a lot of work, but it is so rewarding. So come with us and we'll show you what it's like to run a runDisney half marathon.
So now we're gonna go and pick up our race packets. We'll show you a little bit of the Expo area.
Yeah, there's different vendors selling different things, shoes, clothes, medal like holders for your race medals. To pick up the packet, this is something that you do before every race, and you'll get your bib, which is like has your number and your name and your corral. You get your shirts.
And then there's another building that usually has the merch for the year.
Special merch.
So we'll dig into that one a little bit too.
Yeah, I'm always a sucker for a pin, so I gotta go get my pin. Please don't sting me. All right, moving on. All right, we are heading into the field house to pick up our race bibs. So we were having issues with our digital waivers, but we got that sorted out super easy, and we just picked up our bibs for our 2-course challenge. So we'll wear the same bib for the 10K and the half marathon. And it's Ursula themed, it's so cool, I love it. So now we're gonna head over to the 5K area and pick up our bibs for that, because that's a whole separate thing. And then we'll go pick up our t-shirts. So the 5K theme is the Evil Queen, and I really love this like blood red color or apple red.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it looks great. And something that's different that I noticed is this S1. I made a big mistake, and I never put our race times in from our half marathons in the past, because you're put in different corrals. You're in the back corral, that means that you're gonna have to wait around a really long time. So since I never put our times in, they're gonna stick us somewhere in the back, but I don't know what S1 is, because usually it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. So S1, S3, I don't know what that means, but we will find out.
Special
maybe it's
edition.
Good, maybe it's bad. We'll find out.
Now that we have our race bibs, we can go get our shirts and gear. You ready to run? You getting excited?
I am excited. This will really be a test to how our training has been going for the dopey that's coming up. So
I see it's 61.
I think attacked by bugs today.
61 days left until our marathon weekend. Came from the field house, and directly across we're going into the Visa Athletic Center, but the entrance is in the back. So that's where we'll be heading. We are going into the Visa Athletic Center for our shirts.
Okay, so here you will see that they have booths for different vendors selling merchandise, and then we have in the very back, you will see that that's where we're going to pick up our shirts. It looks like there are a lot less vendors this year. Usually it's pretty cramped in here, and it's just stuffed full of people selling stuff. And this year, I'm sure because of COVID, obviously, they have less people here. But normally this is a little more, action. But honestly, it's kind of nice to have some space because it can feel a little claustrophobic in here.
So in order to get your shirt, you have to rip the top half your bib off, like so.
Like so?
And then you hand it to them.
Over there, like so.
And see the number letter is MM.
It's a men's medium.
Men's medium,
yeah.
so they know.
They have lots of bras and they have some cute merchandise. Miles and margaritas. I think I need this shirt. What do you think, babe? I love me a marg. Very cute. Well, we have to get a picture with a bunch of Impossible cheeseburgers, so we're gonna wait in line, and they're doing a little promotional thing where you can drop like Plinko and win some things, so let's test our luck. Are they? Nice. Thank you. All right, here I go. Mitch, where's she going? Ah.
I think it's in the middle. Which one would you rather? Socks?
Yeah,
Nice.
There you go.
all right, Mitch got this sweet Impossible Burger bandana.
Yeah.
And I got some Impossible Taco socks. That's amazing. And we got this voucher for some
Free food.
free food.
Nice.
But I don't know where this is at. Upstairs?
Up there.
Oh, up here. Let's go look. Well, I am so happy we waited in line for the Impossible booth because we get free food. And they have 3 vegan options. They have an Impossible Burger, Impossible Bolognese, and tacos. So we get to have a free lunch.
Okay, we had lunch, and now we're heading over to Disney official merchandise. We'll see how long the wait is and see if we can withstand and not buying things, but I'm sure we will. What do you think about that?
I'm gonna try my best, unless something really catches my eye.
No long sleeves.
But it's all villains.
No
so
long
it's like,
sleeves.
that's why it's so hard, because I'm gonna wanna buy villain stuff. Maybe like the Oogie Boogie and Jack.
Ooh.
Like, because that's the 10K theme. I wonder, oh, I think I saw Amanda share a Spirit jersey. Let's go look, let's go look. We made it into the merchandise area. Oh goodness, no baskets. Don't grab a basket, that's dangerous. I love this. It says running is my nightmare. But they only have extra smalls.
Somebody buying some.
Yeah, I like this hat. I feel like I need something for like the longer runs. Maybe I'll test it out on this half marathon. I'm not a hat person usually, but I don't like to wear sunglasses when I run, so I might have to purchase it. It's kind of cute. You like it?
It's very cute. You look wickedly delicious.
Ooh. I like it.
This hat's ahead of its time.
Yeah,
2027.
Mitch said we're time traveling. I know it's supposed to be a 1, but that definitely looks like a 7. They do have a special Magic Band also available, but I think I'm going to pass on it.
Oh, here's the Oogie Boogie that we almost left and didn't even see.
Yeah, it's on the back side, but we're going to have to buy this because it's really, really cool.
I like that there's nothing on back.
And it's like a good material. It doesn't feel like trash.
These are all checkout lanes. It is Oogie Boogie. She's a true monster, folks.
We are all checked in and ready to go, so we are finished up here. We did not escape without purchasing things. I knew it was gonna happen.
I bought a sweatshirt, and
Yeah.
that's the one thing that Floridian is not supposed to. I have
so many hoodies.
So many hoodies. I only own like 2 pairs of pants, so it's like that tells you like how cold it gets here, or for how long.
Yeah.
I don't know, but.
So anyway, we're walking to our car now, and we are going to go check into our hotel. And I'm so excited to show you guys our room. I'm excited to see it.
Yeah.
So we are staying at the Grand Floridian. We were originally supposed to stay at Port Orleans, but they had overbooked that resort, and they called us and said they're gonna put us up in the Grand.
They gave us 3 options.
Yeah, they gave us Yacht, Beach Club,
or Grand Floridian.
Or Grand Floridian.
And then it's like, how often could you go and stay at the Grand Floridian for the same price? Yeah.
Get ready for a room tour of that. You look so crazy. You have so much stuff. All right, we made it to our building. We're in the Conch Key building, which is on the very back side of the hotel, right up to the water, and that is Narcoossee's there. Delicious restaurant. All right, let's go on in. That Disney touch. Who did that? They deserve a raise. No! No! Why?
Can you try your magic band?
Alright, I'm off to the front desk. Let's see if they're like, there's a big mistake. You're not allowed in here. But hopefully it's something easy. We will see.
We should call this channel Devin Walking Away.
Yes. Alright, here we go. It's green. You wanna go that way?
Yeah, go in there.
Mitch looks so crazy out there. I'm gonna do a quick room tour, just a brief, quick overview of our room. There is, this is the bathroom. It is a double sink, and then we have this really cute Alice in Wonderland photo here, which is adorable. Love that very much. We have our H2O products in the corner here as always. Let's move on to the bathroom. Separate from the sinks, and there is a tub in here. Alright, now we're going to move on into the bedroom area, and we have already laid on the bed, so they're a little messy, but they put us with 2 beds, and there's this nice photo of the Grand with the swans in the water, and then the TV. This must be where the fridge is. I love this chair. That's so cute. Here's our little coffee station. They definitely loaded us up with some coffee. Usually they only give you 2 and then you're like begging housekeeping to bring you some more coffee. But we will not run out. So that's awesome. And Keurig machine. Here is our view. Oh yeah, and then this I would assume turns into a bed. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it definitely feels like this is a bed of some kind. Maybe not, I don't know. Yes, okay, yeah, I see. That moves, yes, this definitely will turn down into a bed. And let's have Mitch open the door for us. Don't hurt yourself. And here is our view.
We just missed double trail.
Aw, you mean a monorail, sir.
Yes, that is true.
There's a little partial castle view. I like it. Yeah, that's our room. Not too shabby. Okay, Mitch is gonna demonstrate how to...
I got voodoo, I got hoodoo. I got beds on the other side.
You got beds you've never seen.
I think I just broke my back. But
Yeah. That's kind of weird.
Yeah.
What's the straps for? Just to keep all the sheets
I
on,
think
huh?
it's to keep everything in when you fold it back up.
It looks ancient.
Oh.
Alright, well let's show off our race t-shirts. You want to?
I didn't know I was two-hatting it.
You guys are gonna kill us.
I don't know who
We don't know these people. We know this movie, but we don't know their names. So now we are all checked in, and we sat around for just a hot second, but now it's time to go meet our friend Amanda for dinner tonight at Yachtsman Steakhouse, I think it's called, over at the Yacht Club. Never been there before. It looks really good. And then come back to the room and rest up because we have an early morning tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 5K, so we'll show you all of that in the morning. So we'll see ya tomorrow.